Why would I even defend you if you're calling me gago?
Mr. Commodore, you just called me a traitor, sir.
Let's put it on record. I did not use the word traitor. Let me read my post on X. Hearing someone claim that the West Philippine Sea is merely a fabrication of the Philippine government is a disservice and an embarrassment to their entire party, the organization he belonged to, and even their own family. How can the one face the younger generations today and tell them that our exclusive economic zone to the west of our archipelago is non-existent, effectively giving up the fight to assert their rights as Filipinos in the West Philippine Sea? Again, Mr. Chair, I never said that you are a traitor.
Sinabi mo sana doon sa social media din, bakit nyo ina-ascribe sa akin na sinabi ko na traitor si Kong Marcoleta?
Unang-una, alam mo ba ito na ganun ang nangyari?
No, sir, because when it became a social media popular post, I was not here in the country.
When did you come to know about this?
During his interview last February 10, huwag tayong magpagago at magpaka-ignorante katulad ng Commodore na yan.
Is it not important to you to correct something that did not originate from you?
Why would I even defend you if you're calling me gago?